This assessment allows us to compare peroxide as an electrophile versus this modified peroxide, specifically focusing on what role this carbonyl plays in terms of making the oxygen a better leaving group. And so we can do that by comparing this arrow here in both cases, where this bond breaks to give hydroxide, OH minus, versus when this one breaks to give a very different leaving group that we would draw this way. If we compare the two in terms of their stability, this oxygen has a negative charge, whereas this oxygen has a negative charge, but that negative charge is delocalized by resonance onto the other oxygen. By being able to delocalize that negative charge, we make a molecule that is more stable and therefore a better leaving group. How does that fit within this problem? Is it weakens that oxygen-oxygen bond, makes it more likely to break in the manner that we've shown.